PT40 trainer, Magnum 65, running E85 and glow fuel, 50, half and half. October 10th, 2019. Okay, it's all clear. Thank you. E85 and glow fuel. They got all the power that the glow fuel does, but sounds like he's running a little rich. Let's see if I can bring it in. This plane flies funky.
Yeah, how come?
I think it's the wing incidents. I think the motor just quit too. Well, I tried to make a turn. I'm going to take off left to right. Going up. Oh, no! Shoot! Hey, that was spectacular. Are you okay? Chop your throttle. Chop your throttle.
Anywhere in the graph.
You got it. It's coming this way. Perfect.
Anywhere in the graph.
I just want to see this landing. Here we go. Great. Wow, excelente. Yeah, that's knocked your fuselage there. That shouldn't be too bad of a repair. Wow. Jeez. Here's the motor over here.
Yeah, it looks like it's in good shape.
Good grief.
Wow.
99% of that's from hitting the ground.
Yeah, it took a nosedive. Yes, there you go.
Well, I'm glad your plane came out without too much damage. That's kind of hard to control it when you're...
Yeah.
Look at your stabilizer. It's way up on one side.
Yeah, you're lucky to get that baby back on the ground.
Yeah,
So, hey, at least I was able to control it. How old was that plane?
Oh, it's about 15, 20 years old. I used to have it on floats.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, we were just talking about that. That's like one of my goals is to learn how to do a float plane.
Yeah, I used to have this one on floats, and it was a lot of fun. We had
well, I apologize if I had anything to do with this.
No, that's just one of those things.
I still can't believe they actually hit.
Yeah, it's
so hard to believe.
And I was hoping, oh, it's not going to be that bad. Crash over, man.
Wow.
All right, well, have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
I will. This is going to be...
You need help taking over your car?
No.
Hold on,